Hey, I'm Mark.
I'm Carrie.
And I am Mark on the mic. We're going to have an RV fun quiz show, and we're going to walk around and
Ask some questions.
yeah, it should be good. Here we go. What's your name?
Fabian,
Fabian. What's the name of your channel?
proceeding onward in
I
America.
have a very important RV question for you today, sir. Who is the owner of Camping World?
Will.
Sorry, thanks for participating. Get out of here. And we have with us?
RV Underway.
Yes, and what's your real name?
Ricky.
Who really cares? Oh, that's not very nice, is it?
No, it's
I apologize. I have a very, very important question for you, sir.
Excuse me, is that a Telefunken U47 microphone there?
I knew he was going to bring that up, being the professional he is. Can you name the owner of Camping World?
Camping World is Otis McGuire.
Otis McGuire!
Marcus McGuire.
No.
Marcus Iota.
Marcus, his last name sounds like a fruit. Marcus
Marcus Grape. Lamotus. Lamonas.
Thank you for participating.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
I'm glad I won the grand prize.
Yeah, we'll give it to you later. Yeah. And your name is?
William.
You know it. What's the name of your channel?
Camper Life.
Camper Live. Okay, I've got a very important question for you. Driving and vibing is a huge channel. Do you really care?
No.
There you go. There you go. No, no one cares.
They can play good music though.
Yeah, he can play good music, but generally, do you care about them?
No.
Oh, there you go. We love them. We're just jacking around with you now.
Oh yeah, they're good.
Okay, there you go. What is it? What's your name?
Mine?
Yeah, what's yours?
Kevin McAllister. I'm home alone.
Keith.
I'm Keith with Traveling Down to Banisters.
We have a very important question for you today, sir, and if you can pass it, you will get an attaboy. What do you think about that?
I love attaboys.
Okay, so here comes the question. Are you concerned about people behind your RV when you're driving on the highway?
Yes, of course.
Why is that, Keith?
Well, because if I need to make a sudden stop, will they be able to?
Can you see behind you in your RV?
Not currently, but I will soon.
So you are concerned?
Yes, I am.
Of course we're concerned, Keith. Attaboy.
Attaboy. All right.
What's your name, sir?
Harold Strange.
Harold Strange. I like that name.
That was an attaboy.
No. You have to answer the question correct.
I got it right.
Oh, he did get it correct. Okay, start it over. Only kidding. What's the name of your channel?
One Strange Adventure.
Here comes the question. Are you ready to play, sir?
Sure.
Okay, here we go. Would you rather buy an RV completely finished, or would you rather restore an RV?
I'd love to buy an RV completely finished and restore it to where I want it.
Attaboy. Attaboy. Thank you for playing.
I'm just going to mold it to whatever I want.
Yeah, attaboy.
Yeah.
Attaboy.
Best of worlds.
I like to say attaboy a lot. Did you know something?
I like it.
Attaboy.
If it makes me feel good.
Attaboy. Very good. Tell us your names.
Natasha.
Bill,
And what's the name of your channel?
Nursing our travel bug.
nursing our travel bug.
I knew that already. Okay, so here's how it works. If you get the question correct or nearby the question correct, can you say nearby question correct? I don't know. Anyway, you will get an attaboy. Are you ready to play?
Yes.
Okay, here goes. What is the best? A fifth wheel, a C-Class, or a travel trailer?
Fifth wheel.
Fifth wheel.
No, absolutely no. I don't know. So what do you like about the fifth wheel?
I love that the ceilings are super tall.
So I'm going to hit some low-hanging fruit here. So you like the real tall things? Is that correct? Like
She likes that a
tall,
lot.
like tall things. I get it. And so you guys get the attaboy.
Attaboy!
Attaboy! Thank y'all for playing. What is the one good thing about dumping your black tanks?
Getting rid of the stink.
There is no good thing because I have to dump it.
You have to dump it, and you're saying getting rid of the stink.
Stink.
I think that deserves an attaboy. Attaboy! Thank y'all for. Oh, and tell us your names.
Germs.
New Horizons.
New Horizons. Thank y'all for playing.
Guess it's girlfriend.
Absolutely. Absolutely. So here we are continuing the game. Attaboy. What's your name, sir?
Rocky.
Very nice. What's your name?
Aaron.
I wish my name was Rocky. I could rule the world. And what's your names?
Esme. Rayland.
Very nice. What's the name of your channel?
RV Kids TV.
Are you ready? You want to play?
Attaboy.
What do you want?
Attaboy.
Attaboy. Here we go. When backing your RV into a camp spot, have you ever got it perfect the very first time?
Yes, my very first ever time of backing it in, and since then, nope.
Have you guys backed your trailer in yet?
No.
You've never? So let me get this straight, Rocky. It's kind of hard to believe. You have to admit it. I mean, isn't it a little? I mean, the very first time you ever backed it, you backed it perfectly.
Yep. And yes, and then ever since then, it's been a few 1, 2, 3, 4 back-ins. She was supposed to be helping me back in, and a squirrel ran across the road, and that's
Tell me about the squirrel. Does Rocky see squirrel? Oh, Rocky and the squirrel. Yeah. Ah! You see where I'm going with that? Yeah. Oh, that,
Rocky and Bullwinkle.
Yeah, it's kind of funny. It's probably before y'all's time. Anyway, you guys get an attaboy. Thanks for playing.
Thank you. All
right. Are you guys ready to play? Sorry, I'm interrupting your lunch.
Sure, go for it.
Okay, here we go. Okay, so we're going to play a game called Attaboy. Would you like to play?
Sure.
And it's a game called Attaboy.
Yes, sir.
So if you answer a question remotely, and it could be my opinion, you will get an
Prize.
attaboy. Attaboy. It's going to be an attaboy.
Attaboy.
You know why we use it as an attaboy? Because we never use it. We don't give anything out. Oh, what's your name, sir?
Blue Wave, and that's Odyssey.
Blue Wave and
Blue Sky.
Blue Sky. Yes. And away we go. Have you ever got onto each other's nerves while RVing?
Maybe once or twice.
Once or twice?
Never. Setting up.
And backing in.
When we're tearing down.
Very good. Okay. Well, y'all deserving. Attaboy. Congratulations. Yes, an attaboy. Thank y'all for playing. And that salad looks so good. My mom makes that salad. Woo! What's your name, ma'am?
Crystal.
Crystal and
Jason.
What is the name of your RV channel?
Crystal's Pets.
Very good.
And Imagine Your Odyssey.
Would you like to play?
Yes.
Would you like to play?
Sure.
Would you like to eat?
Absolutely.
Yeah. Okay, so here we go. Have you ever used toilet paper that does not dissolve quickly in your RV toilet?
Yes.
Yes.
Tell me a little bit about that. How did that work for you?
So it didn't clog up anything.
So are you saying to generally use non-RV toilet paper in your black tanks? Is that correct?
Absolutely not.
Well, I think since y'all were honest about that, you're going to get the attaboy. Attaboy. Congratulations. Thank y'all for playing. Answer the RV question remotely correctly, and you will get an attaboy. Okay, so tell us your name.
Johnny.
And what is the name of your RV channel?
Johnny's Journey.
Very original. Wow, Johnny's Journey. I get it. Are you ready for your attaboy? You want to play?
I'm ready.
Okay, so here we go. When driving, are you more concerned with the people that are beside you or the people that are behind you?
Definitely beside me.
Why is that?
Because some people don't know how to stay in their own lane. I kind of fly by them.
I have to agree with you.
Yeah.
I have to. It's always the people beside me. And Johnny, since I agree with you and didn't disagree, you will get an attaboy. Hey, attaboy, what do you think about that?
That's awesome.
You know why I pick an attaboy for your prize?
Because it's original, like my name.
It is original, but it doesn't cost me anything.
Oh, yeah, free is always the best.
Who do we have here?
This be Captain Jack Scrapper.
How'd you come up with that name, sir?
My name is Jack, and some people called me Captain. And then I was doing a lot of metal scrapping.
Yes.
And I thought, well, a good way to advertise is call yourself Captain Jack Scrapper and paint it on the side of your truck.
Wow, that's very interesting and very long. Hey, so here we go. Camper Life William is here in the campground. Do you really care?
Oh, I care because he's the one that started all this.
Oh, you do care. We've met several who don't care. What do you think about that?
I think they need to get a life.
Why do you think they don't care that Camper Life is here?
Because they're just here for the food and the booze.
Captain Jack Scrapper, you're one of a kind, sir.
Oh, thank you, sir.
And we mean that in the right way.
Oh, gosh.
Hey, Captain Jack Scrapper, thank you for playing. Oh, you get an attaboy.
Oh,
attaboy. Attaboy. Congratulations. Right. So, who do we have here?
Diana.
And Brad.
And you're fans of Gus, is that correct?
Yeah, I love Gus.
Yeah, and Gus loves you, apparently. So, and what's the name of your channel?
Where it's about time.
It's about time now.
Are y'all married? We are. You are? Are y'all more than friends?
We are.
Oh, more than friends. Never had an argument?
Every day.
I don't know if it's every day.
So we're going to play a game here, and I'm going to ask you a question. If you're remotely correct, you will get an attaboy, okay? But it's subject to my opinion. I came to make friends, but we're not holding our breaths. Okay, so here we go. Here's the question. Understand in this meetup that RV underwear is here. Do you care?
Not really, no.
Okay. For you, ma'am?
Oh, we're super excited about that.
Ricky plays a fair guitar. I always enjoy that.
He does. And what about Miss Barbara? I love Miss Barbara.
I love Miss Barbara.
And Ricky, you think they ever argue?
Absolutely.
You do? Do you think? What?
I think I've seen them.
Oh, you've seen them argue. Answer to my question would be that you do care that RV underwear is here at the campground. Is that correct?
Absolutely. We care for everyone that's here.
That's true.
Even Gus?
Yeah, well,
I'm glad that y'all have never had an argument.
today.
I don't know. I think we have today.
Yeah, we did actually. How long have you been married?
This is your interview, not mine. You two guys have really moved my heart. I think y'all should hug. Go ahead. Make sure that you love each other.
I love you.
Oh, a true moment right here. Wow. Attaboy.
You know why?
No, why?
Because tomorrow is not guaranteed.
Well, how much battery do I have left? Okay, so here we go. We are going to play another Attaboy. Would you like to play, ma'am?
I am so ready. Let's go.
Let's go. You're always so perky. Tell us your name, ma'am.
My name is Charlie Grace. I'm with Forever Best Friend.
Forever Best Friend. That was going to be my second question. I have to keep this thing going, you know. Okay. So I've got a question for you, and if you get the question remotely correct, you're going to get an Attaboy. It could be an Attagirl. Attagirl. Or tween. Keep your daydream. And Captain Jack Scrapper.
Oh, this is tough. Okay.
Who would you rather take to dinner?
Well, I mean, Trisha. Keep your daydream. Trisha and I would have so much fun. Absolutely.
So Captain Jack Scrapper, what is it that you don't know him, or he's a pirate, or you don't trust him?
No, I like the pirate thing. I think it's cool. I just think Trisha and I would like the same kind of foods, and we really like wine. So yes.
Oh, so are you saying that Trisha drinks a lot of wine? Is that what you're telling me?
No, I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that it would be a lot of fun.
A lot of wine or fun?
Yes.
A lot of yes is the answer.
But Captain Jack is pretty cool, so yeah.
Could you give us a joke about a pirate?
Okay.
If I whisper one to you, could you repeat it to me?
Oh sure.
Okay, here we go.
Oh no.
Okay, do you know any pirate jokes?
I know one.
Okay, here we go. You ready?
I'm ready.
Here we go.
What's a pirate's favorite letter?
I don't know. What is a pirate's favorite letter?
R.
Oh, with that you get an attaboy or attagirl. Attaboy, attagirl. Thank you for playing.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. Okay, hey, this is Marc on the mic, and we have a big group. Say hello, guys. Hello. We have the big RV community here. We're very excited. We're going to play a big game today, and if you get 8 out of 10 questions correct, you will win a small prize. What do y'all think? Do y'all want to play? You do have 2 lifelines. If you get stumped, I can step away 30 feet and holler the answer to you, or you could ask another RVer here who's not in your group. Do y'all understand? Are y'all ready to play? Yes, we are. Okay, and here we go. Hey, I need one spokesperson in this group. Who will it be? Johnny, you'll do nicely. How are you? Okay, so everyone will holler answers, and you will have the final answer. Do you understand?
I do.
10 questions, 90 seconds, and don't forget your lifelines. And oh, they do know. I've already explained it to you. Just wasn't listening. And away we go. What is the most sold class RV brand in the United States? Winnebago, Tiffin, or Newmar? Holler it out, guys.
Winnebago.
What do you say?
Winnebago.
You are absolutely correct. Which of these is true about camping? Girl Scouts manual featured the first official recipes for s'mores. Middle-aged people make up the majority of campers. In the U.S., on average, campers spend 3.5 nights. Which is true? What is it? We're going to go lifeline. Which one would you like to ask a stranger, or me stand 30 feet away and holler the answer to you? 30 feet and holler. Okay, and here we go. A, Girl Scouts manual featured the first official recipe for s'mores. What is it?
A, it's Girl Scouts.
Very good. Okay, and here we go. 3, what does the slang RV term headbanger mean? The cabinets on either side of the bed, an RV slide out, or the awning poles of the awning? What is it going to be?
The slide awning poles.
Awning poles?
Yep.
You are absolutely incorrect. That would be an RV slide out. When was the first motorized camper built? 1910, 1920, or 1930?
1930.
Anybody, come on.
1930.
1930.
Did you say 1930?
You did.
It would be 1910, sorry. A family of 4 can save how much on their RV vacation costs? Traveling by RV, 49 to 57%, 23 to 59%, 18 to 27%.
49 to 57. B.
B? You're saying B, 23 to 59? Johnny, what's the answer?
B.
B, you are absolutely correct. Number 6, what percentage of RVers choose to stay in a state park? 25%, 75%, or 50%? 25, 75, or 50% stay in a state park?
Let's go 50. I go 50.
You go 50, I'm going to give you one chance to change your mind, ma'am. Okay, so is it going to be 25, 75, or 50? Are y'all going to change your mind and trust me? 25. Huh? Or are y'all going to stay with your
Okay,
answer?
let's go 25%.
25%? You're going to trust me that you're not
Yes.
going to stay with 50?
Yes, we're going to change it.
Stay with 50.
Stay with, we're going 50%.
Okay, 50%, that is correct. What is the most popular month to camp? June, September, or April? What is it to camp? September. What is it?
September.
September? September?
September.
September? I'm going to give you a chance to change your mind, ma'am. Do you think it's June, September, or April?
Go with it.
Huh?
September.
September.
What do you think it is? Huh?
We're going to stay with September.
You're going to stay with September and not take my advice. You don't trust that I'm giving you the correct answer. Is that correct? It is absolutely incorrect. That would be April. Number 9. Most of the RVs are manufactured in what state? Illinois, Iowa, or Indiana?
Indiana.
I'm going to give you a chance to change your mind.
Indiana.
What? I'm just asking.
Indiana.
Indiana. You are absolutely correct. Number 10. What is the most visited national park? The Grand Canyon, Great Smoky Mountains, or Yellowstone?
Yellowstone.
Smokies are great, but it's Yellowstone.
Yellowstone's the best.
What do you think it is? The Great Smoky Mountains? Is that going to be your answer?
Yes, it is.
Everybody else does not want to answer that.
Jellystone.
Are y'all going to stay with what you have?
Yes.
Are you staying with what you have?
Yes.
It is going to be Yellowstone. But I saw it on the internet. It must be true.
Visited national park is the Great Smoky Mountains.
Okay,
It
so
is
we'll go with the Smoky Mountains. We have big prizes for everyone here. What I have for you, I have this for you, and I have this for you. And look at this, I have these medals. Johnny's Journey gets the smallest trophy for being the spokesperson to go into your little van. Then congratulations, Johnny. Very good. Hey, thank y'all for playing. Give yourself a big round of applause.